say good day and welcome back to another Rob and Shaz Travel Adventures, and today we are in Phuket, Patong, Thailand, and we're going to show you a little bit around the place while we're here, and we hope you enjoy.
Packing to go to Thailand. Exciting. First international trip since March 2020. And the pre-exciting part is packing the suitcase. So here we go. Running gear, bathers, going out gear, some casual dresses, always a selection of shoes because I'm a woman. These Flylight suitcases are pretty nifty. Got 3 different compartments here on the strap, so you can put, I don't know, your undies, socks, and whatever else in there. Whole section for shoes, whole section for clothes. Alrighty, we're all in.
Hey Shaz.
Hi.
Do you know what this place is?
An airport.
Haven't been to one of these for a while. How was your first flight?
Fantastic. It was exciting.
Good.
Good morning from Singapore Airport. Is our next plane out? We're excited. So we made it. Hey Rob. And it all looks like it's going pretty quick. Welcome back. Can't believe we're here.
We're here for sure, baby.
Finally. Literally took what? 7 minutes to get through customs.
Change some money.
The welcome party's not as big as what it used to be. Head to the airport, so to the right after departures, and when you get out, this is what you can't face me. So these little booths here, you can get a minivan, so you get in the minivan with a lot of other people that are waiting. For obviously the prices on there, 150 to town, 180 to Patong, 200 to Jakarta and Coron. But what happens is the bus actually stops at Phuket town first, and then other hotels, and then Carter and Coron. So it could be a long trip. Cheap, 200 baht. Or you can wait for one of these little dudes to come and get you. And you get a taxi for 800 baht to Patong. Okay, so we're just coming into our room. So we've got the deluxe room overlooking the pool. And Rob, you're already here.
Hey, how you going? Yeah, I've been here for a couple of minutes.
So this is our room at the Amata. Stormies are rolling in. We're checking just over there. The boys are jamming out by themselves down at the bar. Right. Some nice little elephants for us. And what did we get this one at, Rob? 50. Oh, I forget how much it was now. I know it was cheap. It was $40 a night. Well, they've done some upgrades since we've been here last. Looks good. Alright, so... Oh God, what day is it? Saturday. And we're off for a swim. Okay, Rob.
Do it, baby.
And that's our room up there, level 3. Love it when the weather gods come after we've done our morning. Breakfast done, swim done. Time for our mid-morning rest.
Thanks for watching the first video in our series from Phuket, May 2022. And keep an eye out for our next video coming soon.